So guys, I'm just gonna try and vacuum my stomach this morning. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing it for the first time and wanna see how far I can go. Okay, so I want you to watch me do it. So guys, let's go. Okay. Okay, then put my camera down here. And let's try it out. Okay. It's okay, Gina. It's okay. Sorry, okay? Sorry, okay? So guys, we're just gonna try it out. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna start now. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. Okay, let's go again. Let's go again, okay? Oh my god.